All right, let's look at this cubic equation. Okay, we have x raised to 3 minus 31x minus 30 equals to 0. All right, so we can represent this x cubed minus 31x minus 30 equals to 0. We can represent this one by, let's say, f of x, okay, and find the first factor. After that, we go through the division process to find other factors. All right, so let's get started. We know the constant part here is negative 30. So we look for the factors of minus 30. Okay, and of course, we start from plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so we can say, let f of x be x cubed minus 31x minus 30. Okay, so let's look for the first factor as we do our try and error. So it will start with the factors of this minus 30. So let's start with positive 1. Okay, so if I plug in 1 here, 1 cube is still 1. So we have 1 minus 31 will be minus 31 minus 30. So this one will give us 0. So 1 won't work. So let's go to negative 1. So negative 1 cube will be negative 1. So negative 1 times that will be plus 31 minus 30. So minus 1 plus 31 is 30. Minus 30 is 0. So it means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. And if f of minus 1 is equal to 0, it means x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, so we have that s plus 1 is a factor. So we go through the division process. All right, so let's divide. Okay, so I'll divide x cubed minus 31x minus 30 by x plus 1. The idea is to get the other factors. So let's arrange it. X cubed minus 31x. So we don't have x squared. So let's introduce 0 x squared to make it uniform. So we can bring our minus 31x and minus 30. So it's now balanced. We have cube, squared, 1, and then 0. Okay, so let's start. X cube divided by x. I'll get x squared. So x squared times x is x cube. X cube, have that. X squared times 1. We have x squared. Okay, so let's subtract. X cube minus x cube, 0. So 0 x squared minus x cube is minus x squared. So let's add this, minus 31x minus 30. So let's go again. X into this will be minus x. So minus x times x is minus x squared. Minus x times 1 is minus x. So let's subtract again. Minus x squared minus minus, it will be plus 0. Minus 31 minus minus plus. So which side will be minus 30x. So let's join the minus 30 here. So let's divide again. So x into minus 30, x is minus 30. Minus 30 times x minus 30x minus 30 times 1 is minus 30. So this minus that 0, this minus that, so we have 0 here. So we have x squared minus x minus 30 as the other factors. Now since this one is a quadratic, we need to express this one. Okay. All right, so let's look for the two numbers. We know the coefficient is 1 times minus 30 is minus 30. So we have two numbers and we multiply them to give us this minus 30, but when we add, it will give us negative 1. So we have 6, 5. So we negate this. Okay. So x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 30. X out, x minus 6 plus 5 out, x minus 6. So x minus 6, x plus 5. Okay, so we have these factors here. So let's join to the first factor. So we have x plus 1. Then we have x minus 6, x plus 5 equals to 0. Now, when we multiply these factors, you get this x cubed minus 31x minus 30. So this one the same as x plus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 6 equal to 0, or x plus 5 equals to 0. And of course, the first answer for this is negative 1, negative 5, then we have positive 6 as our answers. All right, subscribe to this channel. This channel is an educational channel, so in order not to miss the next video, just hit on the subscribe button for more videos like this. All right.